Hi everyone! Join me for a quick 10-minute cardio workout. No equipment, just you and your energy. Let's get moving together. We are going to do mini high knees here, where we're going to make sure we're keeping our pace high, our energy up. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to ace skips. We're going to do a fast step jack move here, raising those arms, popping those legs out, alternating as we go. Remember to engage your core during this move. After 30 seconds, we are going to add a squat. Let's start with our hands behind our head. We're going to bring that elbow to that knee. Remember, it doesn't need to touch, but we definitely want to feel that core engagement as we are moving the elbow to the knee. After 30 seconds, we are going to switch to the other side. We are focused on burning calories here, burning fat here. So let's go ahead and give those punches all we got, upping our pace with control and core engagement. After 30 seconds, we are going to add a side-to-side step to this move. Get ready for the switch. Keep this party going with fast squats. We are going to make sure that we're putting our weight on our heels as we squat. and then make sure that we squeeze those glutes as we come back up to stand. After 30 seconds, we are going to add a calf raise to this move. Let's lift that knee and kick, making sure that we engage our core as we lift and kick. Giving it all we got. After 30 seconds, we're gonna switch to the other side. We're going to do a combo move here. We're going to start off with the squat, and then we are going to kick that leg out to the side. Squat, putting our weight in our heels, kicking that leg out with power. After 30 seconds, let's switch. As you're doing this move, you're going to want to make sure that you have a wide stance for your legs and your feet, tapping each toe with control, making sure we got core engagement here. After 30 seconds, we're going to kick things up a notch and add a shuffle to this move. Get ready. All right, y'all, we've made it to the last exercise of the workout, and we are going to end things with a bang. Let's go ahead and really give it all we got with these fast feet, really making sure that we're engaging our core and going as fast as we can with control. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch things up a bit and do in and out fast feet. Get ready for the switch. Yes, y'all, we did it. Awesome job finishing this workout. To really boost your calorie burner results, go ahead and repeat this just one more time or 2 times per session. Stay consistent and keep moving. In the mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. There is another amazing option to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.